Welcome to my fitting guide on my scale exhausts. What's supplied in the kit: the exhaust itself. There's 2 mounting holes, so you can decide how far you want it to sit out. There's a 5mm hole on the back, so you can add an LED if you want to be fancy. And there's a bracket itself. 1 screw. These can be supplied with or without magnets depending on how you want to mount it. So on here, this one's been magnet mounted, so it can be removed and then put back on. So fitting wise, just take the screw, put it through whichever hole you want to put on the bracket, and then same again on the exhaust. So you can angle these depending on how you want them to sit on your car. Once again, don't over tighten them because it's only 3D printed, so you could strip the thread. There you go, there's the mounting bracket. So if we take a look at this one, you can, as I say, have the kit with the magnets, and if you glue or shoe glue the magnet into the bracket, you can then fit it to the chassis. Right, so the easiest way I've found to secure these, take them on magnet, and we're just going to tape it in place. We're not going to glue it, you'll see why in a second. So we tape it in place on the bracket, then we take the other magnet, we then stick it to the body. So you'll see as you move it around, decide where you want it. So if we were going to go there, you can then use a bit of tape, secure that magnet to the body. Then you simply remove the bracket, and this is why we only taped it in, we didn't glue it. You can then take that magnet, stick it on the back of the shell. You can then glue it in place, as you'll see I've done on this side. So you see that one's glued in place. I'll stick in that. So once you've got the magnet secured on the inside, you can then remove the tape off here, take that magnet back off, secure it in the bracket with glue or however you want to do it. Just make sure you get the polarity right, and then we'll just stick in place just like that. So you can move it about if you want, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So the exhaust will be supplied unpainted, so you can finish them however you want, whether you want to go chrome or you want to try and make them blue for a titanium exhaust. In this case I'll just give it a quick coat of silver, and there we go. If you wanted to get fancy, you could actually put a flickering LED in, like I have there. And there we go. Just to show you a quick difference on the mounting positions, ignore the fact that they're printed in different colours. And one's sticking out a bit further. That one's a little bit more subtle. So you can fit it however suits your build. Hopefully there'll be some more products coming soon, and we'll see you in the next one.